The Khasi Students' Union today met Chief Minister Conrad Sangma over the long-pending demands of implementing MRSSA and ILP. The meeting came after the KSU conducted a series of drives in the state, pushing back labourers working without work permits. KSU General Secretary Donald Thaba said that the union has asked the government to implement MRSSA and ILP at the earliest. The union also made it clear that they would continue to check the documents of migrant labourers working in Meghalaya.
This matter, but as we have stated, as our president have stated, is that the word examination, we are tired of it. So it might take, who knows, 1 month, 2 months, it might take 5 to 10 years or so. The KSU will continue with to be vigilant in checking the entry of people inside our state. When we discuss about the MRSSA also, it seems that it is going in the same way with regards to the objection from the Ministry of Home Affairs.